So guys, we're doing a laundry room slash bathroom remodel. And this is a very small laundry room bathroom, so it'll be kind of hard to video a bunch, but I was going to make y'all a short video. We're not replacing the vanity, and we're not replacing the shower. She's already had that. We're just shiplapping all this bathroom. Drywall on the ceilings, new trim, new barn door that you'll see in here. Shiplapping all this. New trim. I'm building a little closet in that corner. The barn door will slide here on this wall. So hard to see everything in here, but that's just an overview of it. So I got most of the trim pulled out, vanity pulled out, or medicine cabinet I should say. Ceiling tiles ripped out. Now we're pulling staples. That's the bad thing about ceiling tiles. You just taking the claw on my hammer, hooking it, and pulling hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of staples. Jim's doing the same thing in there. And needless to say, it's a little bit of a mess. That's one way to get power for light. They just stripped back the black wire and wrapped another one around it to jump out for power. That's a big no-no. We gotta fix that. We rewired everything. That's gonna be our new switch leg for LED lights. And we're getting ready to hang our first sheet of drywall. We got the drywall up, guys. New vent fan installed. And drywall on the ceilings. New LED can lights. It's gonna look nice when we're done. Let you see it from this side. Back at it this morning, folks. So if you look beforehand, they just had quarter round and they just put some drywall, whoever did that tub install, and they just kind of quarter around the edge of that drywall, and this is all paneling. So that way it's spaced all out the same. Jim come in here, and you can see we're doing shiplap in here, but he spaced that, spacing it out to get this wall even. And in here you can see the same thing. He'll space this out to get this wall even, and that one will just get shiplap on it because there ain't no purpose in doing it. So we're having to just pretty much fur the wall out a half-inch with half-inch drywall. And there really ain't no choice. We just got to do that, because if not, your shiplap, we would have to do a little corner there, and that would be stupid to do that. So we're furring that out. Jim is. I just sanded the ceiling, getting ready to put the second coat of mud on. And we're building a little broom slash vacuum closet here at some point today. This is our wire, our new switch leg for these two lights in the laundry room. It used to be here. It's an old house with short ceilings, and they had short plug-ins. It's probably only like 32 inches off the floor, 30 inches or something. So we'll put this at the regular standard height in this new wall. And it's coming along good though. Figured I'd just show y'all what we're doing this morning and what we got to do today. I'm gonna jump off here and get this second coat of mud on. So on the first coat, just a quick tip with this mud. I don't know if it's the technical right way to do it. It's just the way I do it. I normally don't really mix the mud down with water. If anything, I just put a little bit of water and spin it, because you want that first coat to be a good heavy coat. And then on the second coat, I pour about right at a half a bottle of water, and we'll spin it up with a drill. So we'll mix this up good, and that thins the mud down a little bit and knocks out a lot of them air bubbles in it. And on the third skim coat, I put even more water in it and thin it down some more. So that's just the way I do it. Hey guys, another day back at it. So here, she had a barn door before, and they just put it up without any trim. So we ran that trim all the way across, recased this opening, trimmed it out. So we'll put that barn door back up. We got the lights hanging down. I just cut in all the paint for the ceilings, get ready to put a coat of paint on the ceilings. I already did 2 coats of cut in. You can see here, it's cut in all the way around. Bathroom's cut in. Just got the lights hanging down for now. Jim's finishing up the last little bit of shiplap, and then he's started a little bit over here on baseboard, a little bit of inside corner work. There's going to be a barn door going here. So he's already got the trim ran across for that, and we caulked all that trim in. This closet I was going to show you. We ran the electrical down. We just jabbed it out of the ceiling because the switch used to be way down, like just literally 30 inches off the floor on that wall. So we ran a new switch leg, just snapped it out of the wall. I just notched this, so we'll have to put a plate on that. And then this will get shiplap in this little closet. She just got the door in, she ordered today. So we'll have to case that opening out. For trim on the top, we're going to rip a 1x3 in half and just do a real small profile square trim all the way around the top. And it'll get caulked in, and all the shiplap and all the trim will get painted the same color. It'll all get painted Sherwin-Williams extra white. This will get the medicine cabinet back in it. We got to figure out something to cover this. That's on the to-do list still. This trim in here is done. It's caulked in. It's just got to get paint. We'll have to caulk that in around that shower real good. And then all the shiplap and stuff will have to get painted. But it's coming along good. This window opening I have to get framed out and trimmed out. So still a ton of stuff to do. But it's coming along quick. Alright guys, we came a long way on this little laundry room / bathroom. So she ended up wanting to cover this hot water heater. So we built this cover for it. And we've got everything trimmed out now. We're getting the first coat of paint on everything. Jim's worked on his closet all morning. He had to build a custom door jamb. She actually ordered this shaker door and this little handle and stuff off of
Bugger lips, go on.
She ordered this off of Amazon, so Roy's in there painting.
Oh, you opened the door to what I can see?
Now hush now, Roy, I'm doing a video. He's in there painting, or he's trying to paint.
Johnny, leave me alone.
And we got the washer / dryer combo pushed out of the way. There's going to be a cabinet here, cabinets on the wall. And we're getting ready to set the vanity. So I went ahead and put a coat of paint here on this. That way it's already got it because you can see around the vanity some. And then we need to get a coat of paint on the rest of this bathroom. But I'm going to close Roy back in and we're going to pack that vanity through. Hey guys, what's up? It's Johnathan. So as y'all know, this is a video about a laundry room and a bathroom. But I just want to throw this in real quick. The name of the channel right now is Red Bearded Builder. And I changed it to that because I just thought it had a cool ring to it and stuff. But I'm thinking about switching it. And when I first started my YouTube channel, we did camping, stuff like that also. So I believe I'm going to switch the channel over so I can get more content to you guys where we do building stuff, mobile home, double wide stuff, and camping family stuff. And leave me a comment, let me know what you think about that. Good or bad, it don't matter. Just let me know what you think. But we just finished this job up. And you can see here, we redid the trim on this door for her. We put a slide holder on it so the door now won't come in and out. It's got a holder there on the wall. And here it is, guys. Final reveal. We got a shaker style door here. We had to make this door jamb custom little latch here that we made work for. Couple shelves in there. Got a plug in so she can charge a vacuum in there. Shiplap on all the walls. Moved the light switch to here. She has a all-in-one GE washer dryer combo, so it gave her more room in this laundry room. These don't have to be vented or anything, so we can do away with the vent. Now she has this base cabinet, a couple coats of satin clear on it. Now you can see these upper cabinets. We got them hung, shelves in them. Shiplap on all the walls in here. This will be a barn door across this door. And this room, this house has really low ceilings, about just right at 7 feet tall. You can see without even stretching, I can touch the ceiling. So where it has lower ceilings, you can take and just put everything white and freshening everything up. It makes it feel bigger. And then what I was saying though is we're going to put a barn door here, but it hasn't come in yet. It'll just be a shaker style barn door. There's a slide kit. And then in the bathroom, we built this cover over the hot water heater. Thought that turned out real nice, looks good. There's a guy videoing. Put her vanity back in. Got it siliconed in real nice. New switches. Vent fan works. GFCI plug there. The toilet's the same. We trimmed this window out. We didn't do nothing with the shower because it was already here. We just trimmed out around it. But I thought this turned out to be a nice little job. Y'all leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Appreciate you viewing. Hit that subscribe button. Love you in Jesus' name. See you later.